Dear students, you are welcome to our online class. How are you? I hope you are hale and hearty. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know that entire world is going through a pandemic situation for COVID-19. For this reason, our educational institution is closed for your safety, but we are concerned about your studies. So, we run this online class. As a part of it, I am delivering a class from your EFT. This is Roshnara, Assistant Head Teacher, PDB Secondary School, Shiddirganj, Naranganj. Dear students, what are you watching in this picture? Can you guess what are they doing? Oh yeah, you have understood. They are performing a folk song with traditional musical instruments. Look at this picture. Is it familiar to you? Yes. In the left corner, there are 3 bamboo flutes, and in the right side, there is a traditional musical instruments. Its name, Ektara. Look at another picture. Can you tell what's it? Yes, it's some Nakshi Pithas. It's a part of our culture. Look at another slide. There is 2 pictures. Can you say what is it called? Yeah, you are correct. It's called Nakshi Kantha. Have you ever seen it? Oh yeah, you know its name. It's Nakshi Kantha. Let's declare our lesson. It's Unit 1, a glimpse of our culture. Lesson 1. Lesson title is Our Folk Song. Dear students, now look at the slide. Here is our learning outcomes. That is, after we have studied this unit or lesson, we will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, infer meaning from the context, ask and answer questions, write answers to the questions, write short compositions. Dear brilliant students, in your English for Today books, in lesson 1, there is some keywords. Let's discuss about that keywords. First one is folk. Its adjective. It means relating to the people of particular community or a country. The second one is musical. It's also an adjective. It means relating to music, melodious, tuneful. Third one is instruments. It's noun. Its synonyms: tools, objects, or devices that are used to produce musical sound. My dear lovely students, can you see a musical instruments? Do you know it? In your textbook, there is a table of some musical instruments. Its dotara is a part of it. So, this musical instruments is dotara. Here is another musical instruments. Its name's sarinda. Look at another slide. It's a modern instruments. Its name guitar. Now another musical instruments. Its name drum. It's a modern musical instruments. In this slide, here is tabla. It's a traditional instruments. In this picture, you can see someone is playing a instruments. Can you say its name? Oh, you are right. It's piano. Its name's harmonium. It is very familiar to you. We use it in our when we play national anthem in our educational institutions. We use it, and other music program we use it. It's a modern instrument. Look at another picture. Do you know what's its name? Oh yeah, you are right. It's called violin. Its another name is fiddle. Now, dear students, you have to read the text silently from your EFT. You will get 5 minutes for it. From your EFT, read the passage. Its page number is 2. Oh, my brilliant student, you have completed to read the passage. Now I am giving you some questions. Number 1. Who usually likes our folk songs? Number 2. How are folk songs sung? 3. Name some traditional instruments used with folk songs. Number 4. Mention some popular folk songs of our country. Number 5. What does the traditional style include? Now, dear brilliant student, try to find out the answers of these questions from your text and write down on your exercise books. After completing writing the answer, tell me. Oh, my dear students, you have completed to write down the answers. Thank you very much for your quick response. Now I am showing the answers of these questions. You can match it with your answers. Now compare the answers which have you written on your exercise book with the answer of this slide. Number 1. Common people of our country like our folk songs. Number 2. Folk songs are sung in the traditional style of a community or country. Number 3. Name of some instruments that are used with the folk songs: ektara, dotara, sarinda, tabla, bamboo flute, violin, harmonium, etc. Number 4. Some popular folk songs: Polligiti, Bhatiyali, Bhavaiya, Jari, Gambhira, Lalongiti, Palagan, and songs of Hasan Raja. Number 5. Traditional style includes the themes, words, and tunes of songs that have existed for a long time among the common people. Now, my dear student, if you have any question about these answers, you can ask. Oh, my lovely students, look at the slide. Here is a home task for you. Write down a paragraph by answering the following questions. What is a folk song? Do you like to listen to folk song? Why? Why not? Now, my dear students, we have come to the end of our classes. Before departing from you, I offer you my cordial thanks. You know that it's the month of our independence, and this year we are going to celebrate our golden jubilee of our independence. This year is also the birth centenary of our great leader, father of our nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So I offer you the best compliments of Mujib centenary and also the golden jubilee of our independence. And I offer you thanks from my heart to participate in this class. Now, for the last time, I have a advice for you. Follow the health rules. Wash your hands after returning outside. When you go outside, use mask and avoid social gathering. If it is essential to go out, maintain distancing near about 3 feet. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Goodbye, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.